Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to prompt members to reply to welcome messages with sticker on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and here we'll find overview settings. Click on it, and here as you see you will find prompt members to reply to welcome messages with a sticker. Click on it like this, and after this click save, and it will be turned on and it will be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.